Hello everyone, video tutorial we'll be discussing about part 1 of various government exam. Okay, so if you are attempting for Lok Seva, for example, if you are attempting for Lok Seva or for NTC or for TU Service Commission, okay, so in or some other exam like NEA and all, so all these portions, so there is a general part, okay, general part, or we can say this is part 1. Fine. So here they'll ask some general question. So again in that we have about our country, or we can say general knowledge about our country, or about the we can say general background of Nepal or geography of Nepal. Okay, so if any so this video falls in any of these topics. Okay, so in case of TU, the name of this topic is people, society and environment. Fine. So we'll discuss about the geography of Nepal. Okay, so let's start this. Okay, so let's start this. So let's start with some general questions. So I hope many of you know about this. Okay, so first is the area of Nepal. Okay, so I'm talking about our country, that is Nepal. Okay, so area of Nepal, it is 147,516 square kilometers. So I hope 90% of you know about this area of Nepal. So next is some keywords only I'm discussing. Okay, so east west length, if you are talking about the east west length, so it is 885 kilometer. Okay, if you are talking about north south width, then it is 193 kilometer. Okay, so it is bounded, our country is bounded by, okay, from east, west and south, it is bounded by India, so we can say they are neighbors, and from north it is bounded by Tibet, China. Fine. So you can say the neighbors of Nepal are India and China. Fine. So here we can also say that it's like, okay, so we can also say that Nepal, it lies in, okay, it lies in South Asia. Okay, so these are some of the keywords you should know. So area of Nepal, east west length, north south width, and from which all side our neighbor country India, it is surrounded by our neighbor country, so east, west and south, and from only north side it is surrounded by China, and it lies in South Asia. Right. So these are some of the questions that you should know. So next is, okay, next let me write some points for you. Okay, so it lies in South Asia between India and China, and it is bordered by China in north and India in other directions that I told you, and is separated from, okay, we can say it is separated from Bhutan, okay, Bhutan by the Indian state of Sikkim and Bangladesh by Siliguri. Okay, so you should just know the terms. Okay, like it is separated by like from Bhutan and then Sikkim and Siliguri. So these are some of the surrounding states. Okay, so you can say. So next, one of the important question that is asked is, our country is a landlocked country, okay, landlocked country, that it is surrounded by land, not by sea and all, okay, which is, so this, our country is a landlocked country, so which is the nearest, we can see the sea, which is the nearest sea that falls from our country. So the nearest sea is, we can say, so again this is an important question, so we can say the nearest sea is 1126 miles, okay, 1126 miles far away from nearest Indian Sea, okay. So can you name the sea? Can you name the sea which is the nearest one from our country? So it is Bay of Bengal. It is Bay of Bengal. Fine. So remember this, which is the nearest sea. First question is, our country is a landlocked country, and second thing is, the nearest sea that falls, that, or the sea that is nearest to our country is Bay of Bengal, which is 1126 miles away. Fine. Okay, so I think these are some of the basic questions that we are doing. So next is, okay, so next see the geographical diversity, okay. So I think this, all of you know this. So it is, our country is divided into 3 geographical region, okay. So again, can I name the regions? So they are Tarai region, hilly region, and Himalayan region, okay. Next important question is, it contains 8 of world's 10 highest mountains, okay. So in world there are 10 highest mountain. So out of that, our country Nepal, it consists of 8 highest mountain, okay. So this is a proud moment for us, okay, so because out of 10, 8 mountains are with us, okay. So can I name some of the highest mountain, okay, highest peak on the earth? So it is our pride, Mount Everest. Fine. Okay, so these are some of the again basic that I cleared. Let's go to next portion. So next is, I think this is the basic thing that you already know, still I'll be discussing this, okay. So we know what is the capital of Nepal. Capital of Nepal, it is Kathmandu, okay. So again, Nepal is a peace loving country, peace loving nation, so it has joined, so this is one of the important question, it has joined UN on 14th December 1955, okay. So this can be asked, when did it joined like UN, okay. So on 14th December 1955, and because our country is a peace loving nation, we can say. So next is, okay, so next is friendship treaty, we can say, friendship treaty was signed, so with neighboring country, okay. So friendship treaty was signed with the neighboring country, that is with India it was signed in 1950, and with China it was signed in 1960, okay. So these are some of the portions from this SAARC and all, we can say, okay. So next is, okay, Nepal is a founding member. So okay, again this is a important question. Nepal is a founding member of SAARC. Fine. So I hope you know the full form of SAARC. So if you don't know, it is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Okay, so again, okay, so this is one of the important question that can be asked. I'm just underlining this. Fine, so it is a member of SAARC country. Fine, so next, so these are some of the basic things I covered. So I suggest you, so whenever you'll see this video, please just revise with me. Okay, so this much portion if you revise in one day, so it will be better for you. So tomorrow I'll again cover this second part of geographical structure of Nepal. Okay, so again I'll discuss about the geographical structure of Nepal in depth, that is how much longitude, latitude, and how much percentage is Nepal, and you know these regions like tropical regions, subtropical regions. So that will cover again in next video. Fine, so till that, stay safe, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to cover this. Okay, so I'm going to cover this, and I'm named this playlist as general module. Okay, general module PSC exam, I'll be naming this. So under this I'll post this video. So like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you and stay safe.